Hey, you!
Yeah, you.
Are you in high school?
Are you broke?
Do you enjoy the outdoors?
If so, IYEL is the program for you. So what is IYEL?
I-YEL stands for Inspiring Young Environmental Leaders, and it's a paid internship for high schoolers here in the Bay Area. We operate out of the Crissy Field Center here in the Presidio of San Francisco. So basically, you get paid to go outside.
What? What?
That's right. Yeah, you can be a part of the next IYEL team, where we get paid to go on outdoor adventures, learn about environmental and social justice issues, all while building our professional skills and leadership. Don't believe me? Hear it from the IYELers themselves.
I joined IYEL because I wanted a bit of entertainment in my life. Because of colleges and all of that, I needed to do something important or significant. And I feel like IYEL is exactly that.
I wanted to be outside more, explore new places, learn about environmental justice, but also just meeting new people.
For many interns, IYEL is their first program experience here at the Crissy Field Center, but some have been here before through other programs.
Before I did IYEL, I did this summer program. It's called UTB, which is basically similar to IYEL, where you head out, you do community games, community projects, and like know new people. And when I did that, I was like, I really enjoy being outside and like meeting all these new people from everywhere in the Bay Area. So I was like, I want to do this more. So I talked to the staff in UTB, and they were like, yeah, there's a high school program. So I joined IYEL.
The first days of the program are always nerve-wracking. This year, for the first time in IYEL history, there were two cohorts, one from San Francisco and one from Marin County.
When I first joined, I was somewhat weirded out because it was like definitely new people, but also because it was like two cohorts. There was San Francisco and Marin side, so it was definitely like a bit weird for me. But over the time, it got better.
I think I was first nervous like at the orientation, but then after we met like just the Marin side, I was like comfortable with them. And then when we met all together, it took me a while to warm up, but then it was like fine and everything's like nervousness is gone.
During orientation, I thought that everybody in IYEL was really energetic. That was my first impression. The staff and step 2s were like really close. And the step 1s were like there. Some of them were really energetic, some of them were really quiet. I felt like I was part of the quiet side. Now I feel like I'm in the loud side of IYEL because I've created a lot of friends.
Through making friends and building communities, IYEL interns are able to experience significant amounts of personal growth through the program.
I'm more okay with being myself, and I know that's like hard for a lot of people because they like put on a mask when they're around others, or like don't say certain things, or like change for certain people. And I think that this experience really taught me that it's okay to be myself.
Once I got comfortable with like all of IYEL, like I started to be more like open. Like I just started to joke around a lot, be more confident around people. Yeah.
I would definitely say I was super shy when I first joined IYEL. Like I'm super excited for all the activities, but at the same time I'm like maybe in the backside of the team, be like I would just like talk when people ask me to talk. I won't be like stand up and like or like start my opinion like right away. I would like probably wait for someone else to go and then I will go. After 2 years of IYEL, I feel like I'm ready for like just talk to random strangers and I start a conversation. Yes, IYEL made me like grow a lot on just like talking, communication.
I think IYEL has given me and other people the opportunity to be themselves and learn about the communities around them and how different like native tribes or different parts of the city are like discriminated, like food insecurity. We went over that and how important food is in every community and every tradition or culture.
On top of personal growth, IYEL is an opportunity for you to learn about environmental and social justice issues along with other professional development skills.
In IYEL, I've discovered that a lot of native plants are really important to different native tribes and their significance and how they want to keep it for like their traditions and all of that. We've done a lot of field trips about learning about native tribes and how they use different type of plants.
After doing IYEL, like first I learned how to do these nature stuff, like how to set up a tent, how to cook in the natures, how to backpack, all these like stuff you definitely not gonna learn from just school, and like also skills that like you're gonna use later on in your life, where it's like how to build a resume, like your interview skills or leading skills, and even like sometimes cooking skills, filming skills, like any skills that you can think of. IYEL eventually gonna lead you there.
IYEL is a program for all. Whatever interests, skills, or passions you bring to the program will be accounted for. This program is shaped by you and for you.
I would definitely recommend IYEL. It's very fun experiences, but also just like the trips in general. Yeah, the overnights, the camping trips that we've done so far, they've been pretty sick.
Yeah, I would recommend IYEL to my friends. I think it's a really great experience, and like when I talk about it, all my friends are like, oh, where can I sign up? Where can I apply? And I think it's a really great opportunity.
There is program like this that's like free or even get paid. He just let you go outside, go to like forest or like in the nature, do these fun stuff, and like they should join or like at least know there is this program.
IYEL will always have a special place in my heart because I definitely evolved a lot in IYEL. I grew a lot. I made a lot of friends, and I discovered that I can make friends. I think IYEL in 3 words would be
Educational,
Empowering,
self-care,
fun,
socialize.
appreciation,
and smile.
Strangers, friends, and to besties.